Hey everyone, we thought you'd like to hear our version of the Ukrainian national anthem. We hope you'll enjoy it.
Ukraine has not perished, neither glory nor freedom upon us fellow Ukrainians. Faith shall smile once more. Our enemies will vanish like dew in the morning sun, and we too shall dwell, brothers, in the free lands of our own. We'll lay down our souls and bodies to attain our freedom, and we'll show that we are brothers of the Cossack nation. Ukraine is not perished, neither glory or freedom upon us fellow Ukrainians. They shall smile once more. Our enemies will vanish like dew in the morning sun, and we too shall dwell, brothers, in the free land of our own. We'll lay down our souls and bodies to attain our freedom, and we'll show that we are brothers of the Cossack nation. We hope you enjoyed our version of the Ukrainian national anthem, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
And hit the bell for more.
love yourself and others, and support Ukraine. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, this is the Ukrainian national anthem, and we hope you enjoy this. This is our version of it.
Yep.
What was that?
I don't know, but it got in the way.
Start over. Something fell in the sink. Wait, start over, you said.
I just did.
Okay, wait. No, I have to speak. Can't cut all that out. All right, look up at the...
Do me a favor, director. Worry about yourself, not my hair, not what I do. Worry about what you do. I got my stuff together.
Hi, guys.